All right, Live Like That, Sidewalk Prophets, key of G for piano. You got the intro and the verses. So bass hand, you're doing G, B, C for the intro, and then the verses you're hanging out on G. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to E, C, back to G. 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the first half. So right hand for the intro starts on a G. It's kind of a walk up and walk down. That's the intro. So full speed. That's the intro. Then you're at the verse. So once you get back to the verse, it's the right hand's doing this. To F sharp. Oops, sorry. G. F sharp, A, G, F sharp, A, G, just stay on G. Second part of verse. And then you're gonna play that intro part again. And then you do it once through, and then you do a walk down from A. Okay, so I'll put that together for the verse. So we got the intro. Verse. Second part of the verse. Here we go. And then you're going to a D for that last note. This is redoing that. And then you're at your chorus. So that's the intro and that's the verses.